This project final report summarizes and documents the purpose of a document and record management system for the Virgin Islands Department of Justice. The information provided in this report also defines the process needed to structure and implement a firm record and retention policy. As with many businesses and government agencies, paper and the lack of storage are significant problems. If you visit any local agencies, you will find hallways and offices draped with many boxes and file cabinets. They are storing years of information that is no longer needed or is applicable. One of these agencies is the Department of Justice. We have mountains of files and boxes throughout our offices and storage unit. A solution to this problem would be to erect a solid document and record management system. The department, under the leadership of the Attorney General, is tasked with the following mission: to prosecute all Virgin Islands criminal code violations and represent the government of the Virgin Islands in all civil action concerning the government, to provide efficient, effective financial and access support service to children and their custodial parents through the Paternity and Child Support Division. The Attorney General Office is tasked with a multitude of powers, duties, and responsibilities, including providing legal counsel and legal representation for the government, the governor, lieutenant governor, and all executive branch agencies, boards, and commission. The mission of the Department of Justice is to administer the law with fairness, integrity, impartiality, and perform our legal mandates and serve to the public with excellence. The Virgin Islands Department of Justice is committed to maintaining an effective record management program. The record created, used, and received must meet business requirements, legal requirements, accountability requirements, and fiscal requirements. This policy applies to all records, whether maintained in hard, paper copy, or electronic copy, regardless of the format. The difference between document and record management. There is definitely a difference. The content is managed differently. The purpose of each practice, the information or content involved in each practice or methodology, or how each practice is performed. There are different practices in management. A document management system involves capturing, storing, modifying, and sharing physical files within the organization document. A record management works hand in hand. A system must be in place to manage all the essential documents effectively and efficiently in an agency. Do you know that employees have requirements and responsibilities as it pertains to record management? They must learn to manage records created as a part of their job duties. Protect and save records you create and use. File documents, including emails, according to a filing plan. Maintain confidential and sensitive information appropriately. Know how long to retain records. Dispose of information that is not a record. Establishing policies and standards. Yes, you must establish policies and standards for maintaining diverse records are also part of the record management system. Within an organization, not some documents, but all documents become a part of records. Record management is a set of document management. The following supports this statement. Distinguish non-record content from records. Apply required retention periods to records. Identify the owner of the records. Determine that a chain of custody and a proper audit trail exists for each record. Assist in e-discovery issues and apply legal holds to records when needed. Manage the proper and timely disposition of records. Develop and administer records policies and procedures for electronic or paper records. Preserve records throughout their life cycle. Record Emergency Action Plan. The Virgin Islands Department of Justice has an emergency action plan, but we do not have a record emergency action plan established. In establishing this plan, some steps are needed. First, an approved retention schedule must be put in place. If not in place, first step will be to inventory your records and identify what records are needed in your office. These steps provide a simple and effective method for managing government records. 1. Organize your record commission. 2. Designate a record officer in each department. 3. Conduct a complete record inventory. 4. Determine a retention period for all records created by each department. 5. Prepare a retention schedule as a disposal list. 6. Submit schedules or applications to the Record Commission. 7. Submit schedules or application to archives. 8. Prepare a certificate of records disposal. 9. Disposal of records by approved schedule or application. 10. Record Commission should maintain a central file. Creating a document management plan. What are the rules for creating documents? Is there an in-house style guide that needs to be followed? Should new documents be dated or time-stamped? What procedures should be followed for sharing or reviewing documents? In-house templates for some of your standard businesses. For example, letters, invoices, and where are they located? How will the document be stored? The significant cost associated with storage, which is ample for most small businesses and organizations, is the cost of time wasted when people are looking for documents. Does the question arise of how documents will be filed? The key to good filing documents is to follow good file management practices. A transparent, easy to follow system is essential. Can retrieving documents be simplified? Of course. Good filing practices can go a long way towards solving the problem. If you set up solid procedures and protocols, such as constantly following strict naming conventions, documents will be easier to find. How can documents be made and kept secure? Document security is physically securing the business premises themselves. The first line of defense for all businesses, even home-based ones, need to have security systems installed. Document management options. There are steps to the document management system. Whether working with a digital-only environment or in a hybrid environment with digital and paper documents, setting up a document management system involves 3 steps. Create a document management plan, implement the document management plan, and follow it through. What is the best document management system? The scale of your operation, how much document will be stored, the range of type of documentation and information you need to manage, how your documents are used and how frequently they are need to be accessed, level of security required, your budget. Can you hire specialty service or purchase high-end software, or will you manage it on your own? Now it's time for us to move forward in choosing a vendor for our document and record management system. Our first vendor up is Abacus Next. The service they offer is the Document Automation Advantage. The name of the service is called HotDocs. The solution offering is that HotDocs is the market-leading provider of document automation software. It takes the headache out of documentation creation while also reducing errors while reliable, easy-to-use software. Maximum efficiency. Automated document generation and assembly can save time and money on creating and managing documents. Free-flowing that can free up your time you can spend growing your business and organization. It enhances compliance. HotDocs software lets you create templates that adhere to all internal business rules. It also improves quality. Perfectly formatted documents adhere to brand guidelines and apply rules across all documents. Our next vendor is called Laserfish. The service, electronic records management. Solution offering: 4 essential questions every record management should ask when deciding which records to keep. Assessment worksheets for evaluating the status of your existing record management program and prioritizing improvements. 5 steps to implementing electronic records management, provided by an experienced record manager. How to handle unexpected audits, improve ongoing compliance, and reduce time-consuming tasks around record storage and retention. Last but not least is the vendor Tyler Technology. The service offered electronic record management and document management. The name of the service that they offer is Enterprise Attorney Manager Software. The solution offering, they generate documents such as subpoenas, notices, and plea agreements using Microsoft Word, pulling information from both the party case record into documents without the need to rekey data. Of course, it would be a perfect solution for the Department of Justice because it's right around the things that we need in order for us to be a proficient in the work that we do. In summary, it has been my pleasure today to present my project, which has been very close to my heart, document and record management. Throughout my career, I have seen numerous of departments and agencies with mountains of paper, mountains of files, mountains of documents that is no longer in use. And moving forward in the 21st century, we should all utilize a proper document and record management system, digital that is. Currently, we have an established file structure at the Department of Justice. With the right computer software, we should be able to create an enhanced e-record filing scheme. I will be collaborating my efforts with my team to help develop this plan. With the knowledge I gained in this cohort, I am heading down the right path. Thank you, and all have a wonderful day.